these are terminology. So relation usually we call the table, tuple is a row, attribute is a column, primary key we also call as identifier, which cause it identify the rest of your fields over there. And we have a cardinality. Cardinality means the number of rows in a relation. Degree means number of columns. Domains mean the pool of legal values. Pool of legal values means the maximum you can put into a certain field over there. Degree is static but cardinality changes. So why it says degree is static but cardinality changes?
Doctor, please.
Yeah, there is a last row over here. It says that degree is static but cardinality is changing. It's very tricky sentence, but it's very important. Domain is a set of legal values. For example, if you define the domain, the maximum salary is 5 digits. Okay, so when you're entering the salary, you cannot increase more than 5 digit salary, right? So the maximum can be 99999. So 5 times 9. So you cannot put another, for example, next digits in that one. So it will be like 99,000. So you cannot put like 100,000. Why? Because you have to fix the value over there. But here say the degree is the static. So what does it mean? Static means not changing. Okay, and yeah. So degree is static. Mean this one degree. Where is the degree?
Because we have multiple rows that changes.
Degree.
So degree column, usually we define the column in the beginning. So for example, if there are 5 columns, okay, so that's fixed class. Okay, so in DDL, when you're creating the columns, that is fixed. Okay, so it is static. See? Okay, right? But number of rows, a number of cardinality is rows. Okay, so number of rows is changing. Every time you have a new student, you add a new student in that one. Okay,
yes,
right?
Yes.
So cardinality is changing, right? But degree is not changing. Why? Because you have a fixed amount of things over there. So you can change the degree, but you have to change the structure of the whole column, a whole table over there, right?